We did science experiment 1. Now we're doing a science experiment 2. Making skin!
Scientific baby is done. She's eating. Okay.
Let's
Now,
do this.
we need 4 scoops of water. Oh wait, it's got to be warm water. Hold on. While I'm doing that, you need 4 scoops of that into there.
Okay.
Of the skin mix. Okay.
4 scoops?
4 scoops. Four scoops? You did 4?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now 4 scoops of water into there.
Okay. 1. Now it's not done.
No, that's not enough, baby. You need to fill up the whole thing.
1,
2.
2, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now you smooth it. Or stir it so it's smooth. Looks disgusting already.
That feels disgusting.
Here, make sure you get the corner.
It
Okay,
feels
do it again.
disgusting. It feels disgusting.
Yours is yummy, yummy. Yours is yummy.
Because it smells disgusting. It smells good.
I think we should put a little bit more water. Okay. Okay, here. Let me see it. Okay, hold this.
It feels disgusting, doesn't it?
It sure does.
That feels disgusting. Yes, I don't like what I did.
Okay.
Ugh, that looks disgusting, doesn't it? Like monster guts. Disgusting.
Now we have to put it in the refrigerator.
What?
It's gotta get hard.
How many minutes?
10 minutes. While we're waiting for that, we will do the bug experiment.
You mean that the bug skin?
No, this is the skin. We're gonna do the bug experiment while we wait. No, baby, there's a bug experiment too. Okay. There it goes in the refrigerator. Now.
Wow! Well, that is freezing up. We would do experiment 3. Make a bug.
Okay.
Got it.
We need to do. Okay, let me clean this really quick. Here, let me go clean this. Now, you need 3 scoops of water. So do that.
Cold water or warm water?
That water. The warm water.
Warm water.
Yeah, you need warm water.
One.
No, that's not full all the way, baby. You gotta make it full all the way.
I'm gonna do that.
Like that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No. It still wasn't full. Here. Pour it into it. Here. You hold this and I'll pour. Hold this. Hold it over the cup. Hold it up straight. There we go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now we need 2 scoops of bug mix. Now, this one is the bug mix. Okay? Hold this so I can open it. Okay. Okay, baby. 2. Not so full. It's too full.
Okay. I think they're the same one. There. 2.
Okay. Make sure you get it all in there. Start.
Stop.
Start.
I'm stuck. I got it stuck. Yeah. This is like the same one. It's like the same one.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
here. Says we gotta do the next stop, the next part quick. Here, hold this, hold this, hold this.
It is Guts and Glory, which is Monster Gut, which is what making the bug.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. You need to push it in there.
Okay.
Put this part into the eye
Okay.
and then squeeze.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, here. Hold it like this so it doesn't come out.
Okay.
Okay. Put it inside of the eye before you squeeze. Hurry. Wait, wait, it's not in the eye. Okay, push it in there.
Oopsie.
Hold this.
Have to.
No, you didn't put it in the eye like I told you to.
Nope.
Now push.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Take it out. Pick it up.
Dun dun dun.
Screw it back on.
Okay.
Here, hold this.
Okay.
Not with your dirty hands.
Okay. Anthony.
Your other one is.
Oh, he's gushing out that blood. Look him. I'm than I thought. Because he didn't want it in his eye. Oh.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now,
I guess he doesn't
remove
like
mold
it.
and place in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. This has got to go in the refrigerator for 10 minutes too. Come on. This guy is a mess, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. He doesn't want that inside. He's gushing it out.
Okay. Let's go put them in the refrigerator.
I want to put them both in the refrigerator. Here.
Put it next to the skin on the plate. All right. We didn't even set the timer for the other one. Okay. Ready to do number 4?
Are you ready to do